Hello guys, hello again. Here we can see park, the Muzas Park, and here you can see even some people who are dancing, or maybe they're just drunk people. And you can see statues in Egyptian style or in a Greek style. Heroica Ciudad de Chiclayo. Right now we are in city Chiclayo, North Peru. Here, of course, the restaurants, gas station, hotel, beautiful statues, amphors, decoration, and many police officers. Okay, beautiful ladies without hands in a Greek style, with the big tits and nipples. And here many policia. I don't know why, but the many policia officers. Two cars and one bicycle. Many policia, mucho policia. Okay, and another part of the park. Okay. Despite of cold weather and very cold climate right now is the second day of the winter. Today we have here the people sitting on the grass and making romantic datings. A lot of statues again in a antique, in a Greek style, and many police officers staying here to protect city center and to react on a signal of violence or any crime activity. So here is very safe area because a lot of police. Some people walking with the dogs. We walking without dogs, with a friend who trying to be a guide. And we exploring one of the biggest cities in Peru. So far so good, everything is good. As bigger city, as more dangerous it is. But this city is okay, and we have right now beautiful park. Let's explore it together. As I told you before, here is a Greek Muzas, goddess from Greek mythology. Clio, one of the goddess. I forgot what kind of art she was responsible for. And here we can see many bikers. Probably they are bikers because they have a lot of helmets and they have a gathering today of all bikers. Another goddess with a baby, and here have to be fontaine, but right now it's not working. Just people sitting and enjoying this beautiful place with the columns, with a nice design. Garden with the flowers. Beautiful, very beautiful place. Oh, this Muzas I know, this goddess I know, her name is Melpomena. She is a goddess of theater. And you can see the mask, tragedy mask in her hands. Melpomena, goddess of theater. All actors, greetings. Catch my greetings, please. I'm an actor. Another goddess, Talia. I forgot what she was responsible for. Maybe for humor, because she had a comedy mask. Maybe I don't remember. You can write me in the comments. The girls sitting and eating. Another goddess. Another Muzas. This one is a goddess of music. Euteria, goddess of music, and the goddess of dance probably. And this one I know too, Terpsichora is a goddess of dance, dancing goddess from Greek mythology. Another two gods, Calliope, I don't remember. She had a sword in her hands. Calliope with a sword. and Erato. Also, don't remember anything I forgot. Everything I forgot about Greek mythology, you can write me in the comments. And the goddess of astronomy, Urania. Muse, goddess of astronomy, Urania. And here you can see the market, Buenos Aires. It's a normal folk market, not supermercado, where the people selling their stuff, whatever they have. And here you can see the Walt Disney Snow White castle, Walt Disney characters. Actually, I was in a real prototype of this castle and fortress. It's Saint Hilarion Park in North Cyprus, near city Girine or Girne or Kirineia in the North Cyprus. Non-recognized country, Turkish Republic, North Cyprus, have original castle there. And to protect local alcoholics, they have a big advertising for Johnny Walker whiskey. Guys, another park, and we finish right now. Little church place, and another park. We're going back home. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, give me like, write me nice comments, share this bell, share this video with your friends, push the bell near the button subscribe, make it in a black color please, and write me nice comments. Thank you for watching. It was a Chiclayo city tour, Peru northern part. See you at the end of the world.